Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nadhiro Salsabila Azizah. In this occasion, I would like to present the paper that I have titled Analysis of Halal Certification as an Instrument for Assessing the 5C Principles in Credit to MSME Entrepreneurs by Sri Budi Purwaningsih, Noor Fatimah Mediawati, Muhammad Faizin, and Dwi Nadhiro Salsabila Azizah from Faculty of Business, Law and Social Sciences, Muhammadiyah University of Sidoarjo, Indonesia. In this paper, the background of the study, MSME entrepreneurs are characterized by small business character, which make additional funding necessary for business development. MSMEs can access capital through financial institutions such as banks. A HAL certificate is one of the mandatory license or legalities for HAL business product that must be obtained by MSME entrepreneurs to ensure the safety of product consumed or sold to consumers. Before granting credit, bank must conduct a series of assessment of prospective customer based on the 5C principles. They are character, capacity, capital, collateral, and condition of the economy. In this paper, formulation of the problem of the study. Based on the background described above, the following issues can be identified. 1. Can a halal certificate be used as credit collateral? 2. How can a HAL certificate be utilized by bank as an assessment instrument for credit approval based on the 5C principles? In this paper, research objective and benefit of the study, the urgency of the research aims to 1. Determine whether a HAL certificate can be used as credit collateral. 2. Examine how HAL certificates are utilized by bank as an assessment instrument for credit approval based on the 5C principles. Benefit of the research. 1. This study is expected to contribute to banks in formulating policies related to using halal certificates as cost collateral. 2. Halal certificate can serve as an alternative means for MSME entrepreneurs to access financing from banks without requiring traditional collateral. In this paper, methodology of the study, this research applies a normative methodology with two approaches. They are legislative and conceptual. The legislative approach serves as a framework for analyzing the legal construction that forms and underpins the whole certificate as one of the legalities for MSME product businesses. Meanwhile, the conceptual approach is used to examine the whole certificate as an intangible asset, the whole value as a form of collateral in credit provision. In this paper, results and discussions. A HAL certificate is written decree from the Indonesian Ulama Council (MUI) declaring a product's compliance with Islamic law and serving as a requirement for halal labeling by BPGH. Regulated by Law Number 34, 2014 and Government Regulation Number 39 of 2021, it ensures protection, fairness, legal certainty, and professionalism. For MSMEs, a HAL certificate presents product legality, business capital, and added value, supporting business stability as a source of livelihood. Collateral is the bank's assurance of the debtor's ability to repay the credit as agreed. Chapter 2, Paragraph 1 of the Decree of the Board of Directors of Bank Indonesia number 23/69/KIP/TR that February 28, 6061 concerning collateral for credit provisions. Security is additional collateral provided by a debtor customer to the bank in relation to the granting of credit facilities of or financing based based on Sharia principles. Chapter 1.23 of Law Number 10 of 1998. The primary function of collateral is to assure the bank or creditor that the debtor has the ability to repay the credit provided to them in accordance with the agreed credit agreement. In guarantee law, there are general guarantees covering all debtor assets and specific guarantees limited to certain assets. Specific guarantees include personal guarantees and material guarantees, divided into movable and immovable assets. In guaranteed credit, banks are required to evaluate the guarantees or collateral provided by prospective customers. Credit is the provision of money or equivalent claims based on a loan agreement or agreement between the bank and another party, which obligates the borrower to repay the debt within a specific period with interest. Article 1, Part 11 of Law Number 10 of 1998. Before extending credit, the bank must conduct an analysis assessment of its prospective customer. One of the credit assessment principles is the 5C, namely character, capacity, capital, collateral, and condition of economic. The 5Cs principles is used as an assessment instrument for Halal certification with the following explanations. Number one, character. The assessment of a bank's prospective customer character includes honesty and good faith. Possession of a Hall certificate reflects the trustworthiness of the prospective customer in ensuring the Hall status and safety of product for consumers, as well as demonstrating compliance with regulation as a form of good faith. Number two, capacity. The assessment of a prospective customer's capabilities includes management and technical aspect of their business. Possession of a health certificate reflects the implement of good corporate governance principles including transparency in health product information and compliance with regulation as a form of responsibility for product safety. This sub to support business sustainability and enhance consumer trust. Number three, capital. Assessing the capital owned by the prospective customer aims to determine their financial capacity to operate their business. The evaluation of the whole certificates as a form of capital considers the costs, time, and effort expended by the prospective customer to obtain the certificate. These expenses can be recorded in financial reports as investment costs. Number four, collateral. The assessment of business asset includes tangible assets, such as movable and immovable property, and intangible assets, such as right and Hall certificate. A Hall certificate serves as a personal guarantee for the product sold, adding value to sustaining the business for MSME entrepreneurs. And last, number five, condition of economic. Market condition assessment, both domestic and international, aim to evaluate the marketing prospect of prospective clients' business product, based on the Law Number 33 of 2014 on Halal Product Assurance Co-Government Regulation, Number 38 of 2021, business actors are required to obtain Halal certification for products sold to consumers. In this paper, conclusions of the study. Based on the discussion above, it can be concluded that a HAL certificate can be used as credit collateral for MSMEs, serving as product legality that ensure consumer safety. Banks assess HAL certificate using the 5C principles, enabling MSMEs with HAL certificate product to qualify for credit. Recommendations. Banks can accept MSME HAL certification as primary collateral in the form of intangible assets. Through the 5C principle assessment, HAL certification support businesses stability and are reflected in the credit policies. That's all my presentation about analysis of HAL certification as an instrument for assessing the 5C principles in credit to MSME entrepreneurs. Thank you very much, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.